Welcome everybody back to Irish Santa Sports Cards, and today we have a PSA reveal. This is an 11 card submission that I sent in through allocation before they opened it up to the Silver Club members. $50 a card. 7 of the cards are for a buddy of mine, and 4 of them are mine personally. Just got back in the mail today. Normally I was getting them back in about 35 to 40 days. This one took almost just a little over 60 days. So a little bit longer, but let's take a look and see what we got. So first card up is Adrian Beltre, 1997 Bowman Chrome. Got a mint 9. I will say I have looked at the grades when they popped, and this is probably the worst submission that I've ever gotten, where out of the 11 cards, there was only one 10. Everything else was 9s, and there was even a 7. Next card up is Alexander Ovechkin rookie card, 2005 Upper Deck Power Play, mint 9. Still solid cards, even at 9, especially for some of these aged cards. This was a card I thought for sure would get a 10. I mean, this thing looks sharp all the way around, so I'm not too sure where the 9 came from unless they felt it was off-centered. But this is a 99 Topps Traded CC Sabathia autographed rookie card. This is the one that kind of baffled me too, because I look at sharp corners, but this is a Pujols Bowman's Best rookie card. Serial number to 2,999. I mean, there's a little bit of whitening on some corners. So, and down here, when sending it in, it didn't look like it was going to be a 7. I thought probably an 8, but for sure a 9. But I was very shocked about getting a 7 on that one. This was the only 10 that was received, and this is which is kind of shocking with how Panini Prisms are. But this is a Nolan Arenado rookie Prism from 2013. So again, a card that's 9 years old, gem mint tinning. So pretty solid card here if you're a big Nolan Arenado fan. This is a near mint 8. Again, another card that kind of shocks me. Figured a 9 or 10 out of this one. I didn't see any surface issues. It's numbered, I think that says number 2 out of 50. Vlad Guerrero rookie card from Bowman Platinum. I didn't see any whitening on the corners or the edges. It looked pretty well centered, so kind of shocked on an 8 on that one. Next up is a 2018 Bowman Juan Soto Prospect Chrome Atomic Refractor. Another, again, 8 with very sharp corners. It looked like very good centering. I didn't notice any surface issues at all. So, again, another baffling grade, but still an 8. All right, next 4 cards are my own personal cards. So this next one here, I hit this one out of my Montgomery Club box that I got for Bowman First Edition. This was a pretty big one. I also hit in the same box, I also hit a blue Ellie De La Cruz to 150, and I also hit an Averson Arteaga yellow to 75. But this one was George Valera to 5. This is 3 out of 5. It looked sharp, so I'm assuming it's got to have some off-centering or something, but tough to tell with the border. But getting a 9 on that one. Pretty happy with this card, especially with it being to 5 and being a first edition. So pretty monster card for me there. The next 2 cards here are cards that I hit with Houdini and his cheap fun breaks out of the 100 case Bowman break last year. I had the Christian Pache rookie autograph. I usually chase one rookie person every year that I go after. Last year it happened to be Christian Pache. I know I hit a plate auto and a few other ones. But the 2 that I sent in for grading were both atomics, and they were the only ones that had no print lines whatsoever. So I was very shocked that these came back what they did, but understandably so. Still decent cards, though. So this one's a 9. Corners were sharp. Like I said, it had no visible print lines in it whatsoever, so I'm not sure if it's an off-centering or what it may be. I mean, on the back, it maybe looks like the bottom might be a little bit off, but yeah, number 35 of 100, but I got a 9 on that one. And then this one was number 4 out of 100 and a 9 on this one as well too. So again, like I said, both of these were no print lines that were visible to see on any of them, compared to what I got when I had my golds and yellows and stuff. So, and this one was part of a Houdini break as well too. Emerson Hancock Blue Wave, mint 9. I sent the Asa Lacy one in and got a 10 on it. I looked at the centering on this one. I thought it was pretty good. Top, bottom, corners looked good. I know the waves are a little bit more difficult to get a better score on because of the potential of looking like print lines, but is what it is. So pretty rough sub with a bunch of 9s, couple 8s, and a 7, but still happy with them, especially with some of the older cards. Appreciate you guys tuning in and taking a look. Again, come back and check out some other videos and breaks that we do. Everything I do is more personal breaks here on Irish Santa Sports Cards. Have a good night.